Hello kids, welcome to my new video. In today's video, we will learn colorful and beautiful birds' name with their pictures or videos. So let's learn. Scarlet macaw, scarlet macaw, rainbow lorikeet, rainbow lorikeet, mandarin duck, mandarin duck, painted bunting, painted bunting, Indian peafowl, Indian peafowl, golden finch, golden finch, kingfisher, kingfisher, flamingo, flamingo, golden pheasant, golden pheasant, Himalayan monal, Himalayan monal, paradise tanager, paradise tanager, northern cardinal, northern cardinal, spangled cotinga, spangled cotinga, Nicobar pigeon, Nicobar pigeon, Indian roller, Indian roller, blue jay, blue jay, green bee eater, green bee eater, kookaburra, kookaburra, Atlantic puffin, Atlantic puffin, golden oriole, golden oriole, waxwing, waxwing, fairy bluebird, fairy bluebird, blue throat, blue throat, cockatiel, cockatiel, Amazonian moth, Amazonian moth. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.